I heard that you're a really good fortune teller.
Oh, yes, I am. I am Madame Sasson.
Oh, nice to
No,
meet
no, 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 no. Ooh, you have a very bad aura. Are you a Capricorn?
Yes, I am.
Come on. We have to go out tonight.
No, I have a date with Ryan Gosling and pizza tonight.
No. Okay, Mars is on Gemini right now, and that means that tonight I'm gonna meet my future husband.
Okay, but Mercury is in Capricorn, which means I have to stay in and watch movies tonight.
No, because the third moon on this other planet. Hey, Terrence.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. What's wrong?
I'm so nervous about this presentation.
Oh my God, you're such a Leo, dude.
But I'm a Virgo.
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant. Okay, you're gonna do great, all right? Be strong. Yay. Bye. Ooh, welcome.
Hi. I heard that you're a really good fortune teller.
Oh, yes, I am. I am Madame Sasson.
Oh, nice to
No,
meet
no, 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 no. Ooh, you have a very bad aura. Are you a Capricorn?
Yes, I am.
What can I do for you? Don't worry, I'll fix it.
Okay, well, I have a boyfriend and I would really like to know my future with him.
Of course you do. But I can't see very much. Where's the money?
Oh.
Good. Anyway, okay, some trends. It's not clear. I need more inspiration. More. I see it blurry. It's the guy. He's tall, but oh. Okay, I'm seeing it now. Not quite clearly though. What's okay?
This is all I have.
Oh, well, you have a watch, and that would make me see clearer, for sure.
Hold on. What's my name?
Your name. Let me see. Your name. It's cocoon, cacao, Kim, Karla. Your name is Karla.
Yes, it is.
Ha! Yes. Okay, give it to me, and let's see if he loves you or not. Thank you. I love that show too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So wait. What sign are you?
I'm actually a Cancer.
Oh no. Every Cancer I've dated is like a total psycho.
That's funny because every psycho I've met is a horoscope freak.
Wait, does that mean we're dating?
I guess so.
Yeah. All right. Cheers to that.
Karla, you almost 45 minutes late.
I know, but Mercury's in retrograde.
Is that a holiday?
Kind of. Hello guys, thank you so much for watching. Tell us what you think. Do you have any friend that's kind of crazy about all of this weird nonsense? Tag them below or let us know what you think. Thank you guys so much. We have some special shout outs. I want to give my shout out to Joaquin Gamboa. Thank you so much for being such a loyal follower.
And I want to give a shout out to Gareth from the UK. Thank you for being such a cool follower as well.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow our social media and follow our new YouTube. Bye.
Bye.
Now give me my watch back.
But you're gonna get bad
Give me
juju.
my watch back.
Oh, it's a sketch, I guess.